Hello everyone. You might have noticed a significant hike in fuel prices recently. It's not just you or your neighborhood or even your country. This is a global phenomenon affecting millions of daily commuters and car owners alike. The cost of fuel is skyrocketing, and it's making a dent in everyone's pocket. This is not just about the extra dollars spent, it's about the ripple effect it has on our day-to-day lives and the economy at large. Now, more than ever, we need to be smarter with our fuel consumption. We need effective strategies to save fuel, reduce expenses, and navigate this crisis. It's not just about saving money, but also about making a positive impact on our environment by reducing our carbon footprint. But don't worry, we have got some effective tips to help you save fuel. Stay tuned. Before we jump into the tips, it's important to understand how your car consumes fuel. The fuel consumption of your vehicle isn't solely determined by its make or model. Your driving habits, car maintenance, and even route planning play significant roles. For instance, aggressive driving like rapid acceleration and hard braking can increase fuel consumption by as much as 40%. On the other hand, regular vehicle maintenance can reduce fuel usage. A well-maintained engine, properly inflated tires, and clean air filters can all contribute to fuel efficiency. Lastly, route planning can also affect fuel consumption. Shorter isn't always better. A longer route with fewer stops and starts may consume less fuel than a shorter, congested route. By understanding these factors and altering our driving habits, we can achieve significant fuel savings. It's not just about saving money, it's also about reducing our carbon footprint and being more environmentally responsible. Now that we know how our actions influence fuel consumption, let's look at some practical tips. Our first tip is to maintain a steady speed. Now you might be wondering why. Well, rapid acceleration and deceleration are like fuel guzzlers. They force your car to work harder, thus burning more fuel. Imagine you're running, sprinting, then abruptly stopping versus keeping a consistent pace. Which one tires you out more? It's the same with your car. But maintaining a steady speed is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular maintenance of your vehicle is equally important. Think of it as keeping your car in top shape. Regular oil changes, keeping your tires properly inflated, and timely servicing ensure your car is running as efficiently as possible. A well-maintained car reduces the effort the engine has to make to perform, which in turn reduces the amount of fuel it consumes. So, don't overlook the importance of regular tune-ups. Remember, a well-maintained car is a fuel-efficient car. Moving on, our next tip is about route planning. You see, the more time you spend in heavy traffic or waiting at signals, the more fuel you burn. So it's crucial to plan your routes in a way that you avoid these fuel-wasting situations. Utilize traffic apps to help anticipate traffic conditions and choose the least congested routes. Highways, even if a little longer, can be more fuel-efficient than stop-and-go city driving. A smooth, steady drive at a constant speed is the key to fuel efficiency. Another effective way to save fuel is to share your vehicle. Carpooling not only reduces the number of vehicles on the road, but also your individual fuel consumption. And if carpooling is not an option, consider using public transport whenever possible. It might be less convenient, but it's definitely more eco-friendly and saves you money. So, smart planning can go a long way in saving fuel. To wrap up, rising fuel prices are a reality we cannot ignore. We've spent the last few minutes diving into the mechanics of fuel consumption and sharing practical tips that can help you save on fuel. We've learned that understanding how our cars consume fuel and adjusting our driving habits can lead to significant savings at the pump. But it's not just about the money. Every gallon of fuel we save reduces the carbon emissions released into our atmosphere. We're not just saving pennies, we're doing our part to save the environment. Imagine if all of us took these steps. The collective impact could be astounding. So we're not just asking you to consider these tips, we're inviting you to join a movement. We encourage you to apply these tips and share your experiences. Let's save fuel together, one trip at a time. Until next time, safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to share, likes and comment.